Drawing in Photoshop in under 2 minutes. Let's go. When drawing digitally, you want to find a comfortable seated position. Make sure that the keyboard is right in front of you. You want to tilt the monitor so that you have good visibility and ergonomics. Make sure that you stretch regularly and you take deep breaths while drawing. Let's start by creating a project. Click the File menu, New, and then you can start a new Photoshop document. Go ahead and click some of the choices. Once you have a new file opened, press B for the brush tool, and then you can start making marks. You can increase and decrease the size of your brush by pressing the bracket keys on the keyboard. When you type in a smaller number for the opacity, it's like adding water to the paint. Changing the flow will adjust how much paint comes out of the brush. Again, make sure that you experiment and figure out what works best for you. Here's another tip. You can screenshot your work, Control V to paste it into Photoshop, and then you use the Move tool to move, rotate, and stretch the artwork. If you hold Shift when moving the handles, the image will scale in one direction. Holding the Control button on the keyboard while dragging one of those handles will skew the proportions. This is a really handy technique when sketching. By the way, make sure that you enable the color wheel by clicking the hamburger in the corner and then selecting the color wheel option. I like this tool because it allows you to select the colors with the outer circle, and then you can fine-tune the value by clicking in the lighter or darker area. So let's wrap up by clicking the File menu and the Save button. You can choose the proper format before clicking the Save button when you're done. This is another one of those times where you've got to experiment to figure out what's best for your application. All right, do me a favor, go give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye.